In this lecture, we will see options trading on expiration date. Today is 22nd of March and it is Friday, so it is the expiration day. If we see the options chain of Apple Incorporation, the highest open interest in call side is in 195 strike, and in put side, if we see the highest open interest, it is in 185 strike, and the second highest open interest is in 192.5 strike. So today the stock opened at 197.65 and the highest open interest in call side was in these two strikes. So overall the sentiments were bearish about today's move, and I made a short position in the stock with my day trading strategies when I got a signal here with 10 and 5 period moving average set. The range of Bollinger Band was big, so it was a good opportunity to trade the stock. The stop loss was the high of the candle that we got before the moving average crossover. So currently it is $100 profit in the stock. On expiration day, I don't suggest to trade in options. On expiration day, if volatility will be low, then we will not make any profit in options. So on expiration day, you can trade in futures or in physical shares. So it is $105 profit. I'm exiting from my half position and prices are near 194.5 strike. If we see the open interest, second highest open interest is in the strike 192.5, so I'm expecting a down move up to this level. Now I'm moving my stop loss at the break-even level and I'm setting my profit target at 193 level because it is acting as a support level here. If we see here, this level is acting as a support level. You can see these two candles are taking support here. So I'm expecting a down move up to this level. Now let's take one more example. This is the intraday chart of Alibaba Group. And if we see the options chain of this stock, currently stock is trading at 177.55. So this is 22nd of March. If we see the highest open interest in call side, the highest open interest is in 185 strike and 182.5 strike, and the highest open interest in put side is at 170 strike. The high of first candle was up to 180 strike. So the opening of the stock was near these two strikes, therefore the sentiments were bearish for this stock also. Now see, this was the opening candle and the opening candle was outside the Bollinger Band. As per my day trading strategies, we should wait for the open in the Bollinger Band range. So this candle was opening in the Bollinger Band range. So I entered in my trade for day trading. Moving average set was already giving a sell signal and Bollinger Band was going in downward direction. So it was my confirmed short sell position. The stop loss was the high of this opening candle because this was the gap down opening. And currently it is $96 profit in this stock. So I'm exiting from my half position. Also I'm shifting my stop loss level at the break-even point. We can also take one more example. This is the intraday chart of Facebook Incorporation. And see, this was the opening candle. The high of the opening candle was $167.40. So if we see the options chain, the highest open interest in call side is this, and this is the strike 167.5. So Facebook opened exactly at this strike, and the highest open interest in put side is at this strike, and this is 160 strike. So here we got a sell signal in the stock and stock is down up to $165.83, but still the sentiments are bearish for the stock. So it was a sell signal in the stock at the open of this candle. Now these candles are near the lower level of Bollinger Band, and see, the candles are losing momentum because this was the longest candle and the next candle is the short candle. Again, these are the short candles. So if we get a reversal candle at lower level of Bollinger Band, then we can expect a bounce in the stock from this level. But if we get a long candle, Marubozu candle at this level, then we can expect a further down move in the stock as sentiments are bearish for this stock also. Okay, so now prices are very close to this support level in this stock in Apple Incorporation, and it is $71 profit in the stock. So I'm exiting from my short position because I'm expecting a bounce from this level in upside. In our second stock, Alibaba Group, it is $66 profit with my rest position, and if we see on hourly chart, it is a support level at this level. See, this was a gap down opening, so these candles are resisting this level. So it is a support level at $175 and prices are trading at $177. But you can see that on hourly chart, this candle is totally outside the range of Bollinger Band. So I'm expecting a bounce in the stock from this level. That's why I'm closing my position here with a profit of $70. Same is here in Microsoft Corporation. If we see the options chain of Microsoft Corporation, the highest open interest is in strike 120 and 119. So these are the resistance level for the stock, and the highest open interest in put side is in 116 strike, so it is acting as a support level. Now currently stock is trading at 118.68. So this was the opening candle and the high of this candle was 119.56. So this was the resistance level and 116 is acting as a support level, and see, this is the trend line of the stock. So I am expecting a down move up to this support line, this trend line. Okay, now in Microsoft Corporation, it is $77 profit, and this was my stop loss level. Here I entered at this candle when moving average set was giving a sell signal. So it was a pullback rally. I placed my stop loss at the high of this up move, and now it is $71 profit, and now it is $80 profit. So I'm exiting from my half position and moving stop loss level at the break even point. And see, in Apple Incorporation, this was the support level. So prices are struggling at this level. But if prices break this level in downside, we can see a further down move in the prices. Let's see our second stock. In this stock, this was my exiting candle, and it was a pullback rally from this candle because this was the hammer candle. And then again there is a sharp fall in the prices, and currently prices are very near to this level. This is a support level on this chart. So the highest open interest gives us an idea about the move of the stock, but it's not necessary that prices will touch the highest open interest strike. We should always watch the chart and see the support and resistance level on chart also. The highest open interest in call side give us an idea of resistance level, and if prices are trading near that level, we can expect a down move in the prices. And if prices are trading near the support level, that is the highest open interest in put side, then we can expect a up move in the prices and we can buy the stock from that level. And in Microsoft Corporation, now this candle is very close to the trend line, and if we see, this level is acting as a support level because these candles, let me mark this level. See, these candles are resisting this level. So it is also a level of trend line. You can see this is the trend line for the current move, and this candle is touching the trend line. It is also a support level on this chart. So I'm exiting from my rest position here because I'm expecting a consolidation in the prices at this level. And today my fourth stock is LRCX. In LRCX, it is $70 profit, but we see on RSI, it is giving a positive divergence here because prices are going in downward direction, but RSI is going in upward direction. So here I'm closing my trade. Let's analyze the chart of previous 3 stocks. The first stock was Apple Incorporation. And see, in Apple Incorporation, prices were struggling here, but this candle was a long red candle, a Marubozu candle. So the selling pressure was high at this candle, and then it was a down move in the stock. Now this level will act as a resistance level for the prices. Our next stock was Alibaba, and in this stock, see, this was the resistance level, and at this level it was a bounce, and moving average set is giving an exit signal here, and then Bollinger Band is going sideways, so we can expect a sideways movement here at this level. Let's analyze the third stock, that was Microsoft Corporation, and see, the stock is struggling at this level because this was the support level and this is also a trend line, but selling pressure is high in this stock and we can see a further down move in the stock. So these were the 4 live trades on expiration date, and it was a sharp fall in the prices in all these 4 stocks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.